Blah blah blah. Hello, I'm Nathaniel, and today we are now going to do question G of MAT 2022. So, we deduce that n to the power of 4 plus 4 is, so, if we call it n4 plus 4, this is the case that it's n squared plus 2n plus 2, n squared minus 2n plus 2. And the reason why I say this is because we can just expand, and anything involving 2n on this side can be counteracted by having 2n on the other side. And since this whole interplay plays out very, very well, in one that 2n squared plus 2n squared turns out to be 4n squared, and since that the coefficients of 2n can just decrease, is negative, this basically means that n squared plus 4 has this factorization. We need n squared plus 2n plus 2 and n squared minus 2n plus 2 to equal 1. Hence, we can therefore conclude that n squared minus 2n plus 2 has a minimum point at 1. And the reason n, do you know how we're going to use it to solve the question? It is a prime number for exactly one positive whole number n. And that turns out to be 1. So 1 minus 2 plus 2 equals to 1. If we substitute n is 1. And this means that n to the power of 4 plus 4 is 5. Well, we just solved the question. Well, I guess, and see you in another video.